This is the dive spot today. But there's some decent swells coming in. So we got to try and figure out how we're going to pull this off. But anyway, that's where we're going to try and figure out how to get the boat in there. And there's some big swells in here.
Are you not comfortable in here with this?
Well, no, we just got to figure out how we're going to do it.
Pretty fucking rough. It's pretty rough in here.
Well, that's the thing. Depends on where you come up. Like if I can actually get in there. I can't go in there, man. If I get spun around in there, we're screwed. Like serious. There's a lot of swell.
Let's go around. Let's see if I go around the other side and then closer from the other side so I get some shelter.
Yeah. Come around the other side there where it's we're out of the swell. This is where the big boys dive.
Get all of that surf. It's a little nicer over here. And it comes over to a shallow area of 4 feet. It comes up here, so I think we're here right now. It's right here, and it's kind of not too bad here. Let's see, we got 50 feet here. And it's
Oh, this is better. We're nowhere near the rocks.
right. That's kind of like on the side. Yeah, but it's a shallow. It's a 4 foot plateau here.
4?
4 feet.
4 feet.
4 feet up here.
Well, I can't go in there and get you.
Sure you can. 4 feet low tide. It's high tide now.
Oh, it's just a oh,
And it's
okay.
not breaking. It might be breaking if it's.
All right, so there's no reef there.
Yeah. Oh, there's.
All right. I'll drive around and figure it out. That's where it is, right in there. There's these rocks. Rocks.
That's why it's good diving here.
Yeah,
Rocks. That's what I'm looking for.
rocks. Good diving.
Lots of rocks.
Lots of rocks. Not good for boating, good for diving. Okay. Let's get the hell out of Dodge. Okay, we're not near any rocks or
Not
nothing.
gonna hit any rocks.
How was it?
Good. I put pictures. Got pictures of big Ling Cod.
Ling Cod.
Ling Cod there. He's not sitting there. He's just curious, coming up to me, aggressive. No, fair sized one. Maybe about a 10-pounder. You know, he's. Yeah, I got lots of anemones. Rockfish. That's a little pond over rocky territory. Way back.
Excellent. Okay, I'm just going to move us a little out of the...
You know, put over.
Yeah, I'm going to put it in gear.